Hey guys, Eric Peterson, founder of Manifold here, and we are going to go through some results from scanning with an iPad. So we were on site here for, I think, half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, doing a scan of the second floor of this Polish restaurant that is being renovated into a med spa. So it's pretty much a full teardown internally. And so what you get from the scan after it goes through, uploads it by itself and kind of processes by itself online, is this Google Maps type view at the start. And you can navigate around all of your data from here. So if you move around here, just like I said, just like Google Maps, you can see here that we're looking at the floor surface in color, but you can also look at height maps as well as my favorite, which is the X-ray. And this gives you a really good breakdown of where the vertical surfaces are, so you get a really clean floor plan type view. And this allows you to jump around really easy and take measurements. So if I wanted to see what the width of this hallway opening here was, I'm just going to click on the measurement tool, drag drop, and then there's my information right there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then if I want to get into more detail around each individual area or something more human scale, maybe images, I can just click on one of these X's, and it's kind of like a terrestrial scan in that you have these nodes that were registered together. And so we can jump into one of these nodes and see more details from here. Right now we've got a simple kind of Cardinal viewer that shows you each direction from where you were standing. And you can see this place is, it's got a good brick structure, but the whole internal area here has been torn down. You get your top-down view here of only the scan data from this specific scan on the right, and you can have the same type of breakdown, X-ray and everything else, so you can do measurements there if you need. You can get actual raw images from the site, which is a huge help. And you can also see that we've got some depth information inside each image. And then you can download point clouds for each individual one also. And then we can just go back. We can see what we're connected to here. So we're connected to the floor plan and to the project. So we can just go back to the session that we were looking at before. And I guess that's a good overview of this one. And I look forward to showing you some more scans in the future.